so don't mind how I look, but basically my man just got his car delivered by Carvana. So once he gets here from work, I'm just gonna record you the car, record the inside, whatever, and then I'm gonna record his mom's reaction when he shows her the car. We're gonna see how everything turns out, but I'm so happy for my man. Babe, I wish you nothing but the best, and for God to keep on blessing you, because he always gonna show up and show out. I'll see y'all later. Hi, babe.
Hey, baby.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
It smells good in here.
It's cherries.
We got a car.
And we're in it. My car.
Yep. This is the color and the seats.
It has a wireless charger.
Good morning, girlies. It's 6:38 in the morning. Today me and my man have a couple errands to run, and we're gonna do a little fall shopping. I'm drinking my matcha. I assume my man's gonna wake up in like a few hours, maybe like 2 hours, so I'll see you when I don't look like this. Bye. I'm on the phone with Jeremy. We're just wearing our little what's this called? What's a faja called in English? Waist trainer.
Bow, bow. Bow, bow.
Yeah. And we're in the parking lot because my man's gonna set up. Oh my gosh, my hair. Anyways, my man's gonna set up. Oh my god, you got shitted on your first car. There's one of these things that you're supposed to kill them because they multiply very fast.
You ready to run?
Murray.
Step on it.
Oh, you.
He missed it again. Anyways, he got shitted on.
I didn't get shit on.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, shit, I got shit on.
He got shitted on. And right here, that's good luck though. You know, we're just gonna mount the camera and we'll show you a bit of the process, and then we'll show you when it's done.
Done.
And then we have the back one over there. And we're back. So I know I look crazy right now. I finished showering. We finished putting on the karma and everything. Now my man is just getting ready. I just finished getting ready. I'm actually surprised that I'm ready fast. Literally, I didn't even second guess my outfit. I just picked this and I put it on. What I am second guessing is my makeup, because I left my pressed powder at my friend's house. And I only have one. If you're wondering why I only have one, it's because I'm not really like a makeup girly. Not that I'm not a makeup girly, but I'm just getting into makeup and learning the basics. Sachet lip liner. This is the color, pink. And it basically takes less than 3 minutes to dry up. And it does last the whole day, and it's only $12. And you could get it at Ulta Beauty. Okay, so after some blending and a little lip liner, this is how it looks. I used the cosmetic lip liner. It has 2 lip liners, a chestnut and a flame, and I used the chestnut color. And this is how it looks. And today's purse, we're using her because she just fits everything.
Baby, I'm in your shot.
Doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
You know what that matters is that little interaction right there. Like, you don't want to be in my video or something. Comment down below if you find that sus. Alright, so usually the only type of makeup I ever bring is my milk blush, which is, she's on her last legs, literally. I don't know what to do. She's just really good. And then this is my Eye on Beauty blush brush. What's a girl without her blush? And then I bring a perfume. I bring my wallet. I bring this little brush, or I bring this one, but we're gonna go with this one.
Wow.
Ooh, my camera is dying. And then we're gonna bring a hand sanitizer. Today we're gonna go with pumpkin apple.
Is that the one?
We're gonna take our bubble gum. I'm praying that my camera don't die, but honestly at this point I don't even know. No, I think that's it, but we're gonna head out. I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick, and then we'll just get it going. Okay, so you can't really see because the mirror is dirty. This is the outfit with my Birkenstocks. Okay, we're ready. Wait. Makeup check. Alright guys, if you want, we're at the mall, but we're not at Cross County this time. We're in Bay Plaza.
The hood shit.
And we're gonna get my shoes. Wait, did you want to go now?
It's okay.
When we come back?
Later, yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna find my shoes. Guess what shoes I'm gonna get, y'all? The cutest ever. And now we're gonna go in. Are you excited for my shoes?
Yeah. I'm confused on why this shit is stuck like this.
Okay, let's find them. Oh my god, look how cute, babe. Look how cute these are.
Balenciaga.
Look at them right here. So cute. Okay, I'll try the 6. Yeah. So guys, come to Kids Foot Locker because the Mary Janes are only $80, and I'm pretty sure women's they're more. And then these, girl, 55 doll hairs, and women's size, I think they're like 100 and something. And these, they have the gray ones too that are 55. And they also have these. They're like weird, but they're cute. And they're like cleats bottom, but they're so cute. Everybody's been getting these. They're $75. The sale is for $50. Better come over here to Kids Foot Locker. My man's getting me my shoes, y'all. And my man, look to my man. That's not part of the video.
They're part of the video.
And my man, look at my man. we're back on the camera of our phone. My camera died. So I'll pick up the camera whenever I can. Because I don't like this quality one bit.